Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two top-rated robot vacuum cleaners, the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Both of these products have received rave reviews, but which one is truly the best? Let's find out. The Roborock Q5 Plus is priced at $699, while the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at $599. So the Shark vacuum is more affordable, giving it an advantage in terms of price. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning with its self-empty dock and 2.5L dust bag. It also features PreciSense litter navigation, which creates precise maps of your home for efficient cleaning. With a powerful 2,700 pascal suction, it easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors and carpets. Additionally, its multi-plane floating main brush ensures deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. The Q5 Plus is powered by a high-capacity battery and a 470 ml dustbin, making it perfect for most homes. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum boasts incredible suction power and matrix clean technology, which cleans in a precision matrix grid. It also features a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and engages hardwood floors, picking up more hair and preventing hair wrap. With 360 degrees litter vision, it quickly and accurately maps your home for efficient cleaning. It's also great for homes with pets, thanks to its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll. The Roborock Q5 Plus offers a 3D view of your home's map, allowing you to recreate your home virtually. It also has resistance to hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, allows for hands-free control through the Shark Clean app and voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also comes with a XL self-empty base, 2 side brushes and 1 filter. After carefully comparing the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, it's clear that both of these robot vacuums have their own strengths. The Roborock Q5 Plus impresses with its long-lasting cleaning, accurate navigation, and powerful suction. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum shines with its self-emptying capability, precise home mapping, and hands-free control options. Ultimately, the choice between these two vacuums will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize long-lasting cleaning and accurate navigation, the Roborock Q5 Plus may be the right choice for you. However, if you value self-emptying capabilities, precise home mapping, and hands-free control, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum could be the perfect fit. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.